Hi everyone, I just wanted to hop on and do a quick blush placement tutorial. So I'm going to use my Danessa Myricks Vision Flush in Ballet Slipper. But before that, I'm going to show you how to find that placement easily. You're going to divide your face from the arch of your eyebrow down. Now don't do this in real life. This is going to be an imaginary line, but I want you to see what I'm doing. From your nostril across to your ear. So can you see how that placement crisscrosses? And in the top right corner, in this area here, that's where your ideal blush placement is. So I'm going to take a little bit of my Ballet Slippers in Vision Flush, and just where, and I'm going to thin it out a bit just so I don't get too much product on there, and I'm going to start there and then tap it out in a small circle, and as the product is thinning out, then I'll spread it. Now I'm going to do the same thing on the other side, but without the lines, so you can see. So imagine I have a line down from my arch of my brow to my jaw, my nostril to my ear, where that crisscrosses, top right corner around here. That's where I'm going to do my blush placement. Round, and then taper out. So it doesn't come too far forward and it lifts you up. So I hope that was helpful. If you liked this video, if you found it helpful, please follow me at Kitsana.